How to fix group limit reached on Facebook Messenger app. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In today's video, I'll show you how can you fix group limit reached on Facebook Messenger app. When you're actually trying to create a messenger group and you could see such notification, then it means that you need to delete some of your existing group chat, as there is a maximum number of groups you can be part of on the platform. So you can also try leaving unnecessary group to free up space for new ones. So first of all, you could always go ahead and make sure to delete the groups that you are part of it. So what you could do is, let's say you are part of this particular group. All right, so you just have to go ahead and open up the chat page, and here you just have to go ahead and make sure to tap on the I button, and you could just go ahead and click on leave community at the bottom of the page. Right, when you do it, so you'll have successfully left the group. So do the same procedure for the rest of the other groups if it is unnecessary. And apart from it, what else you could also do is you could try updating your application at the same time. So go to your Play Store, and on the search box you want to type in Messenger. When we type in Messenger, check whether you need to update it or not. If it is completely up to date, then apart from it, what you could also do is just long press the Messenger application, after which you want to go to this I button, and then you want to go to storage and cache and click on clear cache. Now if you go ahead and click on clear storage, you could see that permanently you lose the data, so make sure to go through it. Only then you could proceed on to this method. And once you've done it, so you'll be able to fix the issue. If not, you could also try reinstalling the application and then restarting your device at the same time. That should be able to group limit reached on Facebook Messenger app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.